percentages. So before going into more problems, first we will look into the basics. Okay, so what is percentage? Percent. Percent means per 100. Per 100. It is a fraction, that is 1 by 100. So where denominator is 100 and numerator is rate percent. Rate percent. So for example, if we say 10%, that is 10 by 100. So 10 is the rate percent out of 100. So which we can write it as 1 by 10. So for example, 20%. 20%, that is 20 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 5. For example, I scored 20 marks out of 25. Okay, so then what is the percentage of my marks? So in order to calculate the percentage, I have to multiply this with 100. So whereas 80%. So here 20 marks means 20 is 80% of 25. Okay. So now we will look into some basics, that is convert percentages to fraction. So for example, 20%. Convert 20% into fraction. How we can do? Like previously we have seen 20 by 100. That is 1 by 5. So here we converted 20% to 1 by 5. So convert fraction to percentages. For example, convert 1 by 5 to percentage. That is, we have to multiply 1 by 5 with 100, which gives you 20%. So here one thing we have to make sure, when we are converting percentages to fractions, we have to divide the given percentage with 100. When we are converting fraction to percentages, we have to multiply by 100. So these two things we need to keep it in the mind. Now we will look into some more problems. See here, what is 33.33% of 180? So here when the percentage, here we need to find the number. This is the percentage. What will be some more problems. So in order to solve these types of problems, that is, what is the percentage? What is this percentage of 180? So in order to solve such problems, better to remember these basic fractions in terms of percentages. See, 1 is nothing but 1 by 1, that is always 100%, 1 by 2 is 50%, 1 by 3 is 33.33%, 1 by 4 is 25%, 1 by 5 is 20%, so 1 by 6 is 16.66, 1 by 7 is 14.28%, 1 by 8 is 125%, 1 by 9 is 11.11%, 1 by 10 is 10%. So these we need to remember in order to solve these problems in aptitude in very fast manner. So first we will see what is 33.33% of 180. So in order to solve, in order to convert this percentage into fractions, without knowing this, it takes more time. So if you know the fraction for this percentage, see here, what is the fraction for this percentage? 1 by 3. So directly you can do 1 by 3 into 180, which gives you 60. So this percentage, what is this percentage in 180? 60. Okay. So what is 14.28% of 350? So what is 14.28% in terms of fraction? So 1 by 7. So just write 1 by 7 into 350, which gives you 50. Okay. So this percentage in 350 is 50. Okay, what is the 125% of 64? So 125% in terms of a fraction we have 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 64, which gives you 8. So in this way we can solve such problems by knowing this easily. So the other type of problems may be in this form. So x is what percentage of y? That is x by y into 100. So such problems can be solved by using this formula. So for example, 20 is what percentage of 60? Means 20 divided by 60 into 100. That is, yeah, that is 1 by 3 into 100. So, fraction in terms of percentages, we know, just now we have seen the fractions in terms of percentages. That is, it gives you 33.33%. Okay, so 20 is 33.33% in 60. So, in the same way, 30 is what percentage? What percentage of 60? Of course, 30 by 60 into 100, that is, so 1 by 2 into 100, that is nothing but 50%. So, 30 is 50% of 60. So, now we will see other types of problems also. A person's monthly salary increased from 3,000 to 3,450. Then what is the increased percentage of salary? So, how to find increased percentage or decreased percentage? So, that we will see. Always increased percentage is always equal to increased value by original value. Increased value by original value. That is nothing but what is the increment from 3,000 to 3,450? Yes, 450. What is the original value? 3,000 into, yeah, into 100. Into 100. So 315s are. That is, what is the increased percentage? 15%. Okay. So in the same way, we will try to find decreased percentage. If the gold rate is decreased from 3,000 to 2,700, then what is the decreased percentage in gold rate? So decreased percentage also. Decreased percentage is equal to decrease value by original value into 100. That is how much it is decreased? 3,000 to 2,700. That is 300. The decreased amount is 300. Original value is 3,000 into 100. That is 10% it is decreased. So in this way we can also find increased and decreased percentages. So in the next video we'll try to find some more types of problems based on percentages in easy way. So keep doing and keep watching the math videos. Bye.